Hey gang, RV Jerry here. Kind of messed up here. Been working on this RV. We have a problem in this bounder in the hallway. A doorknob. This is the bathroom doorknob. Now this is after I already changed it, but it's back on here like it would be. And there's very little room here. I don't know if I can get my kickstand out to, maybe that'll work. There you go. Got very little room here to get by. You're always hitting the doorknob. And I'm a little guy. I'm only like 5'6" and 156 pounds. And this is you got to get by, squeeze through here. This thing will gouge you in the arm. It keeps tearing my wife's arm up. She keeps hitting it, and at our age, it's really crucial not to hit your arm because it really messes your arm up. So we did something here. She found this little knob here, and I'm going to take this off now. I already put this in, but what a good video that would have made. And now the doorknob is just that wide. Now if I can get the camera back here. Oops. Come on, camera. Oh, great. There you can see I can walk by and not get hung up on a doorknob. So this is really good, and this is has a little handle, comes out like that. Well, you didn't need to turn the knob there, but so you got lots more room here, and you won't be getting damaged. This is in the 2003 Bounder, and I'm going to let you take a good look at this lock. This little thing here flips out, and close the door. Now I had to chisel this piece here out very carefully with a chisel and wood files. So you would think it might get hung on that ring, but nope, it just flops back and forth. So, and on the inside, it said it was a locking, but it's not locking. So your privacy is your own privacy. That's as easy as it is. And it doesn't lock. I thought it might have been one of those you push the other direction it locks, but nope. It just does not lock. What it means is it's got that second little latch on it that would keep people from using a credit card. But if they have to use a credit card to get into my bathroom, God help them. Anyway, quick video on something very useful for RVs now that hallway is wide open. So that's all I had to say. I guess they could have used these all over in the bathroom too. Ugh, it comes out some way. Oh, you got to pull it over the lump. See, that one does that, and it does have a lock. So no, I guess you could unlock it from both sides. Anyway, there it is. RV Jerry replacing this doorknob. Thanks for watching. This is the Bounder. Doing a little work on it. Had a little work, do a little work on the TV. Mounted that bracket over like that. We got a new TV so you could see it at an angle. The other one was only 11 years old. And all this cable stuff, that thing up there's got to go. It's an old one. I've got a Roku speaker system coming for that new TV that I bought. Okay. I don't know if I look very good, but hair's all messed up and everything. Thanks for watching. That's just a quick tip. I thought I would make a video of it. It can be very helpful for us people getting caught on doorknobs. So, this is RV Jerry. Thanks for watching.